Hi, welcome back to OvoPro app. So in the last transactions we have seen some transfers, so birds transfers and egg transfers. So now we will see the stock adjustment in inventory module. So stock adjustment is nothing but, as the name says, the adjusting the stock. So for example, you have a physical stock is this much, but in software it is showing, like for example, with some slight difference, so that you can adjust whether you can add it or deduct it to match your physical stock. So that purpose we are using this stock adjustment. So I will click on stock adjustment in inventory module. So this is the display page. So if I select a date or a range from then to date, so it will show if the transactions are there. If it is not there, then it will not show. So I'll just add one stock. So while add that, you need to click on add button. So date you select, so for which date you want to do that stock adjustment, and from what warehouse, like it has to be adjusted. For example, feed warehouse, so I want to do, so for the feed warehouse I want to do it. Okay, or it can be a shed also. Okay, so now I'll add what I wanted to add, like layer feed. I want to add some adjustment for that warehouse, or else I want to add it for the shed also, like anything. So I'll just select the feed warehouse. So that feed I want to adjust, so what code I wanted to adjust, whether it's a layer 1 or what it is, or layer 2, layer 3, what you want to adjust. So I'll just select a layer 2. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanted to adjust. This feed I wanted to adjust in this warehouse. So how much quantity I want to adjust, because I have some different quantity here. So for example, I have 100 quantity in physical stock, but in app it is showing for me as only 90. So I want to add 10 quantity. So it's deduct it is as of now, but you are adding, so you need to click on add. If you are deducting, you can deduct it. For example, if you have 100 in physical stock but showing app as 110, then you can deduct as 10 in that. If for example 100 physical stock is there and showing as 90 in app, so you can adjust it for the add as a 10. So I'm just entering one test transaction. So once you add these all details, which are star marks are mandatory, okay, which are not there, those are not mandatory. So if I click on save, now it will adjust 10 quantity to this feed warehouse of this feed, layer 2 feed. I'll click on save. So it is saved successfully. See, it is saved successfully. 10 quantity has been adjusted successfully to that warehouse, feed warehouse. Okay, if you click on I button, it will show in details of that what you have done, quantity, what add it is, whether it's add or deduct, what it is from what warehouse, like for which warehouse, so feed warehouse. So that and all details it will be shown here. Okay, this is how you need to do the stocks adjustments. If you or stock you feel like it is little bit slight difference is there in your physical stock and the app stock maintenance. So this is how overall stock adjustment transactions look like. So we'll see some other transaction in the next video. Thank you.